Namaste all students, myself JVN Dr. Khushbu Verma from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about photosynthesis process. So almost all plants are photosynthetic autotrophs as are some bacteria and protists also. Autotrophs generate their own organic matter through photosynthesis. Sunlight energy is transported to energy stored in the form of chemical bond. This is just flow diagram where you can simply see that energy can be generated by food can be generated by using sunlight, and this is the food web where plants are producers. They can produce the food, and on the producer plant, all other members of food webs are dependent. Now come to the overview of the photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is the process by which autotroph organisms use light energy to make sugar and oxygen gas from carbon dioxide and water. This is a basic reaction where 6 carbon dioxide and 6 H2 molecule will generate glucose and oxygen molecule of 6 by using light energy. So the light reaction converts solar energy to chemical energy and produce ATP and NADPH. The Calvin cycle makes sugar from carbon dioxide. ATP generated by light reaction provides the energy for sugar synthesis. The NADPH produced by the light reaction provides the electron for the reduction of carbon dioxide to glucose. Here you can simply see this is the light reaction, this is light dark reaction. In the light reaction, light will come and water molecule will break down and will generate oxygen molecule. On the other hand, light reaction will produce NADPH and ATP molecules, which will be used in the Calvin cycle. And in the Calvin cycle, which is dark reaction, which is not require any kind of a light, so it will consume carbon dioxide molecule, and by using ATP NADPH, it will create sugar molecule and will release NADP plus and ADP molecules. So all light reaction and dark reaction will happens into the chloroplast organelle. As I have told you, the site of the photosynthesis, so basically is chloroplast and organelles in certain plants. All green plants are chloroplast and carry out photosynthesis. The leaves have the most chloroplast. The green color comes from the chlorophyll. In the chloroplast, the pigment absorb the light energy. And if we talk about the chloroplast structure, so they are having stroma, effluent, grana, stacks of the thylakoids, and the thylakoid contains chlorophyll molecules, and chlorophyll is a green pigment that capture light from the photosynthesis. Here you can simply see the chloroplast structure. This is granum and this is single thylakoid, and which are making the granum, and the fluid which is filled up in the chloroplast is known as stroma. And chloroplast is double membranous layer, outer membrane and inner membrane layer. Now come to the mechanism of the photosynthesis. So light dependent reaction means light reaction requires a light occurs in the chloroplast, especially in the thylakoid region. Chlorophyll traps energy from the light, and light excites electrons, kicks out the chlorophyll to an electron transport chain. An electron transport chain is the series of protein in the thylakoid membrane. In the light-dependent reaction, energy lost along electron transport chain, lost energy used to recharge ATP from ADP, and NADPH produced from transport chain and store energy until transfer to the stroma plays important role in light-independent reaction. Total byproducts are basically of light reaction is ATP, NADPH, and O2 molecule. In the light independent reaction means in the dark reaction there is no requirement of the light, and basically its name synonym name is Calvin cycle. It occurs in the stroma of the chloroplast. It requires carbon dioxide. It uses ATP and NADPH which has been generated previously in the light reaction, and they can be used as a fuel to run the Calvin cycle and makes glucose sugar from the carbon dioxide and the hydrogen. In the if we will discuss about in detail about the light reaction, so it will have cyclic phosphorylation reaction process of ATP generation associated with some photosynthetic bacteria. Reaction factor is 700 nanometer, and two types of photosystem cooperate in the light reaction. Here you can simply see this is P68 and this is P700. How the light reaction generate ATP and NADPH. Here you can simply see in the electron transport chain it will generate the ATP. On the other hand, NADPH will generate by using NADPH producing photosystem. And in the electron transport chain are arranged with the photosystem in the thylakoid membrane and pump H plus through the membrane. If we talk about the dark reaction, so dark reaction is basically Calvin cycle. Here you can see the first acceptor is a ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate, and it will come to, and carbon dioxide and water molecule will enter into the reaction, and this reaction is regulated by the Rubisco enzyme ribulose biphosphate carboxylase or oxygenase. It will create 3-phosphoglycerate enzyme, then it will convert into the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, and it will use ATP and NADPH, and it will be uh, hydrolyzed, and carbon molecule will output sucrose, starch, and this reaction is basically responsible for the regeneration of carbon dioxide acceptor, and now glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate will convert into the ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate. It will use ATP and convert into the ADP molecule. A summary of the chemical process of photosynthesis. Here you can simply see that light will come, it will come to the light reaction, and ATP and NADPH will generate, will go to the cycling, Calvin cycling, and carbon dioxide will come and then will create sugar molecule. So this is the sum up of this session, and this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any query, then mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.